Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at this ergonomic racing-style gaming chair, a feature-packed desktop seat designed to support long hours of gaming, working from home, and daily computer use. If you are looking to upgrade your setup with strong spinal alignment and relaxed seating options, this chair provides a comprehensive set of adjustments at an accessible point. The chair is designed around a high-back ergonomic structure that follows the natural curve of your spine. It comes equipped with a removable headrest pillow to cushion your neck and an adjustable lumbar support cushion to keep your lower back properly supported during extended sessions. The bucket-style seat and high backrest help maintain healthy posture, reducing fatigue when spending long stretches at your desk. In terms of adjustability, this chair offers flexible positioning to suit your workflow. Smooth pneumatic height adjustment allows you to quickly align your seating with your desk height. The reclining backrest locks in at multiple angles, enabling you to tilt back for relaxed media consumption, reading, or taking quick breaks between tasks. Full 360-degree swivel capabilities and smooth rolling casters provide effortless mobility across your workspace. Build quality is anchored by a sturdy internal frame and a stable heavy-duty base designed for reliable daily use. The seat is padded with high-density foam that holds its shape over time, wrapped in smooth, easy-to-clean synthetic leather upholstery. Multi-directional armrests provide additional support for your arms and shoulders, helping to take pressure off your upper body while typing or holding a controller. Assembly is quick and straightforward, with included hardware and clear instructions making setup easy right out of the box. The racing-inspired design fits seamlessly into gaming rooms, home offices, and dedicated workstations alike. While racing-style bucket seats offer great lateral support, users with broader frames may prefer a wider executive flat seat design. Overall, this ergonomic gaming chair delivers solid comfort, essential spinal support, and versatile adjustability for work and play. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and setup reviews, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.